Hello folks, Stefan is here. So in today's video we're gonna fly the DJI Mini 3. Also I have a KNF concept lens on it, so we're gonna test it in today's video. But before we do that, let's check first the app that we have to check before we fly, and this is the one second, let me show you. The app that we have to check is obviously the app that we need to use before we fly. So as we can see, we can fly with no problems in Croydon area, which I'm in Croydon, which as you can see, that's perfect. And this is where I am at the moment, here on that dot, so we can fly easy. Okay, so this is checked now, so let's fly. The drone is connected and we are ready to take off. So the home point is updated. I really want to see how this lens will perform. Let's climb to a decent height. It's a beautiful day today. It's around 18 to 19 degrees, which is amazing here. Let's climb to 100, around 90 meters.
Max altitude reached.
Beautiful. So 88 meters, and let's go this way. I hope this lens is gonna look nice. Actually, I think he's doing great job, because when I tilt the gimbal down and up, you can see some jitter in the quality, but overall I think this is great. But we're gonna do a couple of more tests. Again, this is not a review for the lens, just as general, to see how this will look before I do the video. So make sure to subscribe and like. As always, we have 84% battery, which is good. We have a good reception. Let's explore these tall buildings here in Croydon. Let me point the controller. Let me pull the gimbal down, so let's see these interesting shots. Beautiful. Also, I'm flying in auto, so the resolution is on auto, 4K 30 frames per second. Beautiful, beautiful buildings, beautiful houses. I just want to see how far we can go at night. These buildings here, they look like you're in Las Vegas, which is so cool. The Mini 3 is performing very well. I am very happy with this drone. The only 3 reasons that I bought this drone is, first, the price. You can buy this drone from the DJI website refurbished for £270, which this is amazing. And also plus battery. Also, I bought a plus battery, which I'm planning to do a separate video test for the range, so make sure to subscribe and see that as well in my upcoming videos. And third but not least, vertical shooting. This is amazing, so we can shoot vertical videos, which is amazing. Okay, 1.5, nearly 2 kilometers away. That's very, very good. Very, very good. The weather is amazing. The video quality is great. I love it. It just looks so clean. Let me pull the gimbal down. Like I mentioned, the price, vertical shooting plus battery, again 4K 30 frames per second. This is what you need. And again, this is my first, well, not professional, but first drone, proper drone that you can buy. Let's have a look. I'm so happy that this drone performs very well. Okay, we're starting to lose maybe some connection. Just I'm gonna stop here for a second.
Max altitude reached.
Let's turn the gimbal so we can have a look what we have here around. Beautiful buildings. It's amazing how nice and clean it is. But we're gonna continue forward to see if the connection is gonna be good. Again, here in UK we're allowed to fly around 120 meters, but again we don't have to break the law. 82 meters. So I'm gonna move to the left. We're starting to have some drops of the connection. Beautiful, very, very beautiful. That's amazing. That's the tallest building in Croydon. Just I'm gonna stop the video. Probably I'm gonna take a photo. Amazing. That's amazing. Okay, my controller, it says that we lost connection. We are 2 meters away. I think this is beautiful. Just I'm gonna turn this way. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Can I go a little bit further? I don't want to lose connection because again, this is one of the tallest buildings here in Croydon, which is so crazy. Beautiful. I think we're starting to lose connection. That's beautiful. Let's go back now. We don't want to lose connection. Let's go back safe. I think the drone is coming back with the feet. I don't see anything. Now, one concern I have is that when you return the drone back to the home
Return to
point,
home.
the feet sometimes blocks, and the problem is that I'm not sure if the drone comes back to the same way. Again, the Mini 3 doesn't support obstacle avoidance, so there's a very big small issue if for some reason the drone comes back but there's a building in front of your way, and like I mentioned, the Mini 3 doesn't support obstacle avoidance, so that's a little bit a small issue, but if you see the feet on the screen, I think you're gonna be okay. But overall, this drone is amazing. Again, it's great for the price, for the features, and the video quality is just amazing. And we still have 59%. We went 2 kilometers away, which in my opinion is it's amazing. Beautiful, beautiful weather today in Croydon. Let me see if I don't hit any buildings, but we are okay. We are okay. I hope the lens performs very well. Again, the lens, obviously, I'm not a specialist, but apparently the lens is good if there is a lot of sun outside. Basically, the lens is like your sunglasses for your eyes. Amazing, amazing. Let me pull down the gimbal. And again, we fly in a normal mode. %48 left. Not bad. So we're flying for around 15 minutes and we still have around 40%, which is great. So you easily can go around 3 kilometers away and you still have battery left in your tank, which is great. In the next video I have something very cool for you guys, so make sure to watch it. Next video we're gonna go to the famous IKEA chimneys. There are 2 chimneys and we're gonna see that, but this will be in the next video, so make sure to watch the next video because it's gonna be cool. Look at that field here. This is beautiful. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see some interesting videos, tests, locations, settings, what settings I'm using for the gimbal sticks. We are around 30 seconds away. 37 kilometers, that's very good. 86 meters. Height. And I can see the drone is coming.
Landing.
The technology is just amazing, ladies and gentlemen. And that's me down. Beautiful. Let me cancel the landing. And let's land this bad boy. Beautiful, beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.